This is Israel driving. Ooh, my word. I think I should have. Oh wait, I've been on it. But I think I should have drank a whole lot more. Israel, don't show your mother this. No, don't. She'll think I'm an alcoholic. I am one. No, I'm joking.
Too later. We all are.
Okay. Ooh, that's evidence. Senora Gutierrez. Your son is an alcoholic. Thanks to Edgar. That's sitting on the right hand side.
Don't forget Marissa.
I'm Marissa, but Marissa's not an alcoholic. She doesn't drink.
No.
She doesn't drink. She's a lady from Mexico. They don't drink.